What perfume should you give? Based on their personality. Let's match the fragrance to their energy. The soft romantic. Gentle, calm, and emotionally deep. The type that feels like soft conversations at 2 a.m. The magnetic charmer. Confident and impossible to ignore. Effortlessly drawing attention wherever they go. Bold and unapologetic. Powerful and unforgettable. The kind of energy that walks into a room and owns it. The mysterious one. Quiet luxury and seductive energy. Always leaving people wanting more. Because the best fragrance gifts must match their personality.